The kitchen is a serious place. Safety comes first, always, no exceptions. You're dealing with fire, sharp knives, and food that can go off quicker than you can say service. One mistake in the kitchen can lead to disaster. We're talking food poisoning, injuries, fires, the lot. That's why it's crucial to know the ins and outs of kitchen safety. We're talking about personal hygiene, proper food handling, and keeping that workspace cleaner than a Michelin star restaurant. Remember, a safe kitchen is a happy kitchen, and a happy kitchen makes for happy customers. Let's get one thing straight. You're not a walking petri dish, you're a chef. Personal hygiene is non-negotiable in my kitchen. First rule, wash your hands. And I don't mean a quick rinse. Scrub those mitts like you're trying to remove permanent marker. Use hot water and soap before, during, and after handling food. Keep those nails trimmed short and clean. No one wants to find a stray fingernail in their soup. If you've got long hair, tie it back. We're not making hair soup, are we? Storing food properly is crucial to prevent nasties like bacteria from ruining your ingredients. Ever heard of food poisoning? Not pretty. First things first. Your fridge is your best friend. Keep it clean and organized. Raw meat goes on the bottom shelf, wrapped up tight. We don't want any drips contaminating the rest of the food. Store cooked food above raw food. Label and date everything. Use your senses. If it looks, smells, or feels off, bin it. It's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, you've got your ingredients prepped and stored like a pro. Now it's time to talk about safe food handling during cooking. This is where the magic happens, but it's also where things can go wrong if you're not careful. First up, temperature control. You need to cook food thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria. Use a thermometer to check internal temperatures. No one wants to eat raw chicken. Next, avoid cross-contamination. This means keeping raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from ready-to-eat foods at all times. Use different cutting boards and utensils or wash them thoroughly between uses.